Once upon a time, in a quiet place near a river, there lived a 15-year-old boy. His family didn't have much. His father worked with wood, running a tiny shop that barely earned enough to survive. The boy wasn't the smartest in school, but he had one quiet strength: he never gave up. Every morning, before the first light touched the trees, he would wake up and run along the river. His dream was to become a great runner and join a sports academy. If he succeeded, he could make his father proud, and one day help turn that little shop into something bigger. But there was a problem. He always lost. For 2 years, he entered every local race, and every time he came second or third. His friends told him, "Maybe running isn't for you. You're just wasting your time." Still, the boy kept running, day after day. His secret weapon was consistency. One rainy morning, while running on a muddy trail, he slipped and fell hard. His ankle hurt, his clothes were soaked, and for the first time he cried. "Maybe they're right," he whispered. "I've tried so hard for so long, and I still lose. Maybe I'm just not good enough." Just then, an old man walking by stopped and asked gently, "Why are you crying, son?" The boy replied, "I run every day. I give everything, but I always lose. Maybe I'm wasting my time." The old man pointed toward a grove of bamboo and said, "Do you know how long it takes for bamboo to grow? For years, you water it, care for it, and see nothing. Then suddenly, in a few short weeks, it shoots up tall and strong. It wasn't weak before, it was building unseen strength. Its roots were growing deep and powerful beneath the ground. That power is what makes it unshakable." Then he looked at the boy and said, "You are like that bamboo. You are growing your roots. Don't stop now." Those words lit a fire inside the boy. From that day forward, he no longer ran to prove others wrong, but to prove himself right. Rain or shine, cold or heat, he ran. He studied how real athletes trained, improved his breathing, his posture, his rhythm. Slowly, quietly, he became stronger. 1 year later came the district race. The winner would be chosen for the academy. The field was full of strong runners. The boy stood among them, calm and focused. The whistle blew. He ran, not the fastest at first, but steady, determined, the result of years of consistency. He didn't panic when others passed him. He didn't stop when his legs burned. Step by step, he held his rhythm. And in the final stretch, something inside him unlocked. His body moved as if it was made for this moment. With every stride, he overtook one runner after another until he crossed the finish line first. The crowd roared. His father stood frozen, tears in his eyes. The boy was chosen for the academy. But more importantly, he now believed in himself. Years later, he remembered that wise old man's words. He smiled and thought, if not for his advice, I might have given up. But in the end, it was me who chose to keep going. The strength was always within me. Moral of the story: great things take time. Just because results don't come quickly doesn't mean your effort is wasted. Like the bamboo, your roots may be growing strong beneath the surface, preparing you for something greater. Consistency builds power, and with power comes a life change. Those who stay patient, focused, and refuse to quit, they are the ones who succeed in the end.